Hello my dear students, today we are going to see data handling part 6, in which we will learn about the mode. Okay, what is mode? The observations which are repeating again and again, the observation which is occurring more, or the observation which is occurring more in the set is called as mode. Now see here, a value or the values which occur most often in a set of numbers. Numbers is nothing but observations. Number is nothing but observation. Now the observation which is repeating again and again, it is called as mode. Okay. Now if it is only one observation is repeating, it is called as unimode. If it is more than one, it is called as bimode. That means 2, it is called as bimode, and if it is getting 2 or more than 2, it is called as multi-mode. Now we will see example. 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 1, 5. See here, which one is repeating more here? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Mode is how much? 5. 5 is mode. See, 3 is also repeating here, 1 is also repeating, but it is not repeating how much the 5 is repeating. So the mode is how much? 5. Then it is called as unimode. Only one observation is repeating. Okay. Now 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 1, 5, 1. How many observations are repeating here? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. 1 is how many time? 1 time. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. 1 is also 3 times. So 1, 5, 1. It is called as bimode. Now one more. 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 1, 5, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mode is how much? What is mode here? 5, 1 and 3. It is called as multi-mode. 2 is also called as multi-mode. Okay. If it is more than 2 also, it is called as multi-mode. That means which is more than 1, it is called as multi-mode. Bicycle. How many tires bicycle consists of? 2 tires. So remember, 2 observations which is repeating equal, it is called as bimode. If 1 observation, it is called as unimode. Okay. The observation which is occurring more is called as mode. Remember, the observation which is occurring more is called as mode. Hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.